Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for 2nd standard. Children, today we will learn about chapter length. After studying this unit, we will learn about distinguish between near far, thin thick, tall short, high low. Compare objects according to their lengths and arrange them in order. Measure short length in using of non-formal units. Children, now we should learn about near and far. Look at the picture and put right mark to the animal which is near the tree. Here which animals are there? Yes, rabbit and dog. Which animal is near the tree? Yes, rabbit is near the tree. So we should tick this. Rabbit is near the tree and dog far from the tree. Children, see this question. Look at the picture and circle the one who is sitting far from blackboard. Here, the girl is near the blackboard. Boy is far from the blackboard. So we should circle this boy. Children, look at this picture and answer the following questions. Here we have two girls. One girl name is Anaga, another girl name is Sita. They are playing running race. First question is, which girl is near the finishing line? Anaga is near the finishing line. Second question is, which girl is far from the finishing line? Sita is far from the finishing line. Children, look at the pair of picture and identify thin and which is thick. Here we have leaf and book. Which one is thin? Yes, the leaf is thin and book is thick. Here we have pumpkin and chilli. Which one is thick and which one is thin? Yes, the pumpkin is thicker than chilli. Next we have wooden box and eraser. Which one is thicker and which one is thin? Yes, the wooden box is thicker than eraser. Children, look at these pictures. Here we have finger and hand. Which one is thin? Yes, the finger is thinner than hand. So we should tick finger. Next we have mat and bed. Which one is thin? Mat or bed? Yes, mat is thinner than bed. So we should tick mat. Now we should mark the thick one. Here we have wooden log and stick. Which one is thicker? Wooden log or stick? Yes, the wooden log is thicker than stick. So we should tick this. Next we have two books. One book is thin and another book is thick. Which book is thick? Yes, this book is thicker than this book. So we should tick this book. Now we should mark the long one. Here we have guitar and damaru. Which one is long? Yes, the guitar is longer than damaru. So we should tick guitar. Next we have tabla and veena. Which one is long? Yes, veena is longer than tabla. So we should tick veena. Children, now we should write L for long object and S for short object in the box given. Here we have two trains. One train is long and one train is short. Which one is long? Yes, this train is long. So we should write L for this train. And this train is short. So we should write S for this train. Children, now we have two scales. One is long, one is short. This scale is long. So we should write L for this scale. This scale is short. So we should write S for this scale. Children, see these pictures. In these pictures, which one is short and which one is long? Yes, this picture is short. So we should write S. And this one is long. So we should write L. Next we have two toothpaste. In these, which one is short and which one is long? Yes, this toothpaste is short. So we should write S. This one is long. So we should write L for this paste. Children, now we should write T for tall object and S for short object in the box given. First we have two poles. This electric pole is tall. So we should write T. And this pole is shorter than this electric pole. So we should write S. Next we have two walls. The first one is tall. So we should write T. The next wall is short. So we should write S. Here we have coconut tree and rose plant. Which one is tall and which one is short? Yes, the coconut tree is tall. So we should write T. And rose plant is short. So we should write S. Here we have two houses. One is short and one is tall. Which one is tall? Yes, this building is taller than this house. So we should write S for this house and T for this house. Now we should mark the taller one. Here we have cow and calf. Which one is tall? Cow or calf? Yes, the cow is taller than calf. So we should tick cow. Now we should mark the shorter one. Here we have bus and car. Which one is short? Bus or car? Yes, the car is shorter than bus. So we should tick car. Here we have candle and deepa. Which one is shorter? Candle or deepa? Yes, the candle is shorter than deepa. So we should tick candle. Next we have pencil and walking stick. Which one is shorter? Yes, the pencil is shorter than walking stick. So we should tick pencil. Children, now we should tick the right or wrong for the following statements. See the first statement. A giraffe is taller than a rat. Look at these pictures. Here, giraffe is taller or rat is taller? Yes, giraffe is taller than a rat. So we should put right mark. See the second statement. Your mother is shorter than you. Look at these pictures. Here, mother is shorter or son is shorter? Yes, the son is shorter than mother. So, this statement is wrong. So, we should put wrong. See the third statement. Tamarind tree is shorter than a rose plant. Look at these pictures. Here, tamarind tree is shorter or rose plant shorter? Yes, the rose plant is shorter than a tamarind tree. So, this statement is wrong. So, we should put wrong. See the fourth statement. A cow is taller than a hen. Look at these pictures. Here, cow is taller or hen is taller? Yes, cow is taller than a hen. So, this statement is true. So, we should put right mark. Children, see the first question. Tick the object which is high. Look at these pictures. Here we have aeroplane and train. Which one is high? Aeroplane or train? Yes, aeroplane is high. So we should tick aeroplane. See the second question. Tick the object which is low. Children, look at these pictures. Here we have bird and tree. Which one is low? Bird or tree? Yes, tree. So we should tick tree. Measurement of length using non-standard units. We can measure a length with the help of body parts. They are called non-standard units. These non-standard units give a rough estimate of length. Yes, they differ from person to person. Some of them are handspan, cubit, fingers, palm, footspan, space. Handspan. It is the distance from the tip of the thumb to the tip of the little finger in a stretched hand. For example, the length of the table is about 5 handspan. Cubit. It is the distance between the tip of the finger to the elbow. For example, the length of this bamboo stick is about 3 cubits. Fingers. It is the unit of distance equal to the width of the 4 fingers closed pressed together. For example, the length of this book is about 4 fingers. Palm. It is the unit of distance equal to the length of the hand from the wrist to the end of the middle finger. For example, the length of this scale is about 3 palm. Foot span. It is the unit of distance based on the length of actual feet. For example, the length of this room is about 20 foot spans. Space. It is the distance between two successive falls of the same foot. Thus, one space is equal to 2 steps. For example, the length of this cricket pitch is about 22 spaces. Children, do this homework. First main, which one is taller? Second main, which one is shorter? Third main, write 1, 2, 3. Show the order from shorter to longest object. Fourth main, write 1, 2, 3 to show the order from the longest to shorter object.